Hello, this is Raymond Yeung from ANZ Bank. The financial market has been very volatile recently. Globally, there is a massive sell-off in the equity markets. Surprisingly, the Chinese currency has been very strong. In fact, we are seeing some policy divergence between China and the rest of the world. When the US Federal Reserve are tightening the monetary policy, the Chinese central bank is cutting interest rates. When many countries increasingly adopt a living with COVID approach, Beijing is uncompromising in zero tolerance. And we believe China will stick to this policy stand in the year of the tiger. Now the question is China still a global growth engine? Can the GDP rise by more than 5%? Do we actually see a growth driver? Our view is the property sector represents a quarter of the GDP. It continues to hold the key to a meaningful economic recovery. What do you think, Betty?
Indeed, China's property sector once again proves it has a deep connection with the broader economy amid the growth downturn last year. China's short-term property policy has clearly changed recently, as suggested by the latest rate cuts and the relaxation of previous tightening measures. However, the first quarter of this year remains tough for developers due to mounting debt repayments. During the upcoming earnings season, we may see deteriorating business operations before the sector gets some respite later in the year. We believe the government will have to launch more measures to stabilize market sentiment in the near term. The risk, though, is to withdraw supportive policies too early. But of course, aside from the property sector, other economic policies are also important to ensure overall growth stability. On that front, I'm sure Zhaopeng will have more insights to share.
Yes, thank you, Betty. We believe Chinese policymakers will use a combination of other measures to support growth this year. After the rate cut in January, we don't expect the central bank to cut interest rate again, as it will take into consideration the stability of renminbi exchange rate. So the policymakers will likely move on to fiscal policy and industrial policy. Tax cut will play a key role this year. In addition, the government will increase investments in areas such as infrastructure, affordable housing, and green investment, which will be confirmed at the People's Congress in March.
In summary, the year of the tiger will be an eventful year for China. In Chinese painting, an uphill tiger means peace and stability. Here, we wish you a healthy and prosperous year of the tiger. 恭喜发财，恭喜发财。